This is the water heater video. We have an electric water heater, and we do not need an electric service disconnect for this water heater because the breaker for the water heater is within sight. So this is your emergency disconnect. This is your service disconnect. That's a helicopter. Water heater is located in the garage. You do not have a baluster in front of the water heater to protect it from vehicular damage. And I believe in 25 years, if I use my imagination, I can imagine maybe having seen it once. I can't actually remember ever having seen it. I'm sure it must have been there somewhere. The water supply lines coming to the water heater should be insulated. They were not insulated. The electric bonding is not visible. You're supposed to see a little green screw up there. You're supposed to see a little green screw. Now I know the conduit is supposed to be bonded. I get that. But then it goes in the wall to NM cable. I didn't see any metallic flexible cable coming out here when I was doing the service panel load center video. I did not see that. So we don't have bonding on our water heater. The temperature pressure relief valve itself is supposed to be insulated. It even came with a little insulating donut. It came with the package. I guess I use that someplace else. Probably found something, a better reason to use it. We've got our care and use manual. Down here we're reading. Of course, it's 1 year old. We expect that. It's a new construction. 50 gallons. It comes out. This is the safety pan drain line, this larger one, and this is the water heater drain line. The safety pan drain line is supposed to terminate between 6 and 24 inches from the ground, so the safety pan termination is fine. The temperature pressure relief valve drain line is supposed to terminate between 3 and 6 inches from the ground. It discharges too high from the ground. So what do we learn? Our temperature pressure relief valve drain line terminates too high from the ground. We learned that our temperature pressure relief valve is not insulated. We learned that we do not have any visible electrical bonding on the water heater tank. We learned that the water supply lines to the tank, connectors, is a proper term for that, the connectors to the tank are not insulated.